जय श्रीमन्नारायण 123rd नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Mahatapase Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you possess abundant divine knowledge. I realize that in order to pacify the sorrows of all the souls who were stuck in the cycle of birth and death, at some point, O Srimannarayana, in order to pacify all these sorrows, you decide to withdraw the entire Srishti. You decide to do this Upasamharam. You decide to do Pralayam in the form of Sankarshana. O Srimannarayana, whichever the order that you have followed to bring this entire Srishti, so also the same procedure you follow to withdraw such great, abundant, divine knowledge you have. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Mahatapase Namaha. Om Mahatapase Namaha. Visualizing the Swarupam, the form of Sankarshana, in which the Paramatma himself will withdraw this entire Srishti, which is called as Pralayam. With visualization of such beautiful Sankarshana Swarupam within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Valmiki Ramayanam, Sumantra is coming to awake Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra entered Dasharatha Maharaju's palace, saying that, praising Raja like this, "O Raja, you please get up, as and how Devendra enjoys. You also should get up and get ready and please come out just like Devendra, as your son Rama is getting Pattabhishekam done. O Raja, for Sri Rama Pattabhishekam, all the arrangements are done. Great Brahmarshi Vasishta Maharshi, along with other Acharyas, along with all the citizens, waiting outside your palace. O Raja, please come." When Sumantra started praising Dasharatha Maharaju like this, Dasharatha Maharaju's grief and pain is increasing more and more. And because he has been thinking all night that how can I send Rama to the forest? He did not have any sleep. Raja did not have any sleep. Because of no sleep, because of continuously he is crying all through the night, his eyes got so much red. With those kind of reddish eyes, he turned to Sumantra and started saying to Sumantra like this, "Oh Sumantra, my heart already got into pieces and pieces with all the words spoken by Kaikeyi throughout the night. Now your words causing more and more pain to me." Like that, suddenly, all of a sudden, when Dasharatha Maharaju spoke like that to Sumantra, Sumantra got stunned and got shocked. Immediately, Sumantra moved away from Dasharatha Maharaju after seeing Dasharatha Maharaju's situation and after seeing Dasharatha Maharaju's eyes. Sumantra moved away, and Sumantra did not have any words to speak. He could not speak a single word. So also Dasharatha Maharaju could not speak a single word. Both were got paused. At that time, Kaikeyi is saying that, "Oh Sumantra, all through the night, Dasharatha Maharaju, with so much of happiness about Rama Pattabhishekam, he did not even sleep. Now slowly he is getting into sleep. So do not disturb him and don't think otherwise also. Just go and get Rama over here. Come on, do not delay." Like that, Kaikeyi ordered Sumantra. Then Sumantra felt a little bit relaxed because at least Rama Pattabhishekam is not got disturbed. So he felt relieved from that shock, and now to bring Rama to this palace, Sumantra came out of Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. When he came out of the palace, in front of palace, it is like an ocean. So many people. Vasishtha Maharshi is there. All the Brahmanas are there. Great ministers are there. Entire army is there. Golden kalasas, silver kalasas, beautiful simhasanam, pavitra jalam, Ganga jalam, waters from Ganga river, waters from Yamuna river, waters from Godavari river, waters from Kaveri river, waters from Brahmavarta Saras, waters from Naimisaranyam, waters from Rudravarta Saras, waters from Gandaki river, waters from Sona river, waters from all oceans, everything kept ready in beautiful golden and silver kalasas for Rama Pattabhishekam. All those kalasas are glowing like anything. Sumantra is seeing everything the moment he came out of the palace of Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra also has seen so many kings came down and waiting for Dasharatha Maharaju, thinking that we have been waiting for so long, but Dasharatha Maharaju never comes out. Why? All those great kings are talking about this. Then Sumantra felt that these powerful kings have been waiting for Dasharatha Maharaju for so long. If Raja doesn't come out, it will be a dishonor to all of them. So I should again go back to Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra felt like that, and he went to all those kings and told them that Dasharatha Maharaju doesn't know that you all are here already. So let me go back. Actually, I am on my way to bring Rama here. But now I will go back again and tell Dasharatha Maharaju that you are all waiting here for him. Like that, Sumantra told all the kings and went back to the palace. Now what happens again inside the palace, we will learn tomorrow. with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. And let us now sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami, which is suggested by most compassionate our Paramashiva. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 13th sloka. Rudro bahusiraha babhruhu visvayonihi suchisravaha amrutaha sasvatasthanuhu vararoho महातपाः. ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण. ओम महातपसे नमः. ओम महातपसे नमः. ओम महातपसे नमः.